up, world? I think this is what I think it is. Oh, Lord, what that say? That's the crypto logo. Read carefully. I think I just got my crypto Visa card. Y'all see the logo. They supposed to be mailing these out. Uh-oh. Y'all see it. I ain't finna show y'all my numbers. Midnight Blue card. Yeah, I bought some CROs. And I bought some CROs, man. And they say when you go to the cash register, no matter what kind of cryptocurrency you got with the MCO CRO app, you can just swipe at the counter and they're gonna deduct it. But hey, man, that's part one. I might not even do nothing else. Hold on, I'm gonna sit the camera down, cause I'm doing this off of one take. Ooh, pretty. Look at her. Yeah, man, I just did y'all a regular video showing that MCO.